Stitchers, Soodle here. Today I'm going to show you how to work a single crochet V-stitch, which is great for giving some texture to little projects like this pineapple. I'm going to work it with a second color stranded in to give it a nice 3D effect. I've already worked a few rounds, so I'm going to show you how it works once you've set up your round. With your main color, at the beginning of your round, chain 1, and then single crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, with your second color, wrap it around the chain, and then in the same space, single crochet again. You don't want your floats to get too messy, so pull it a little bit tight, but not too tight or it'll distort your project. Don't forget to place your stitch marker at the beginning of each round to help you keep track of where you are. Okay, so let's do that again. In the chain 1 space from the previous round, single crochet, chain 1. With your second color, wrap it around that chain 1. In the same space, single crochet again. Okay, so you see you've got a little bit of a wrapped effect there on the top, but as you work your project, that second color becomes just more of a highlight and doesn't show very much. I'm going to work this single crochet V-stitch a couple more times. So here in the chain 1 space from the previous round, single crochet, chain 1, wrap the second color around, single crochet again in the same space. Pull that second color a little bit snug. Single crochet, chain 1, wrap your second color, single crochet again in the same space, pull the second color snug. Okay. Now you don't have to use the second color. You can get a perfectly fine look with just one main color, but I like the way it looks. I feel like it gives you a nicer pineapple with more depth to it. You could also use green instead of brown for your second color, like I did on this bigger pineapple, where I held my yarn doubled. Okay, so I'm going to work this stitch one more time. Here in the chain 1 space of the previous round, single crochet, chain, wrap my second color around, single crochet. Okay, and then at the end of the round, I'm just going to slip stitch into this same space, or not space, sorry, into this single crochet that started the previous round. I'll slip stitch there. Then at the beginning of the next round, I'll chain 1 and start making another round. So you can see I'm getting a really nice texture for my pineapple. This is a looser stitch. You know, if you stretch it too much, there are going to be little holes. So work pretty tightly or with maybe a size down hook compared to how you normally would work. If you're going up to a much thicker yarn, you definitely will need to work with a different tension, keeping it a little bit tighter. Thanks for watching and happy stitching!